Dude, buddy, what's up? How you guys doing? My name is Ronnie. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, we're going to unbox another sneaker, but this time it's the Adidas Yeezy 350 version 2 Hyperspace. Let's do this, shall we? The Adidas Yeezy is a fashion collaboration between the German sportswear company Adidas and American designer, rapper, and personality Kanye West. Kanye, or Ye, was given the nickname Kanyeezy by Jay-Z and took that nickname, shortened it, and took Yeezy as the name of his brand. Ye first released Yeezy with Nike, but left due to contract disputes. Ye wanted to be paid royalties for his shoes, but Nike didn't want to, but opted to give proceeds to his chosen charitable institution. Ye didn't want none of that, so he jumped fence to Adidas, who agreed to pay him royalty. There he released the Yeezy Season 1 on October 2015. Even though I started my sneaker collection back in 2015, I wasn't fond of the Yeezy design at first. I find it kind of clunky for a non-basketball shoe. And for some reason, somehow the novelty of exclusivity got to me, and soon I wanted a pair of Yeezys and was trying to cop one for retail for some time. Finally, in March 2019, I was able to cop my first pair of Yeezy 350 version 2 in the Hyperspace colorway. And that's what we're going to unbox right now. And here it is. To start off with a box, we have a brown plain box with the 350 on top, indicate the model number, and with Boost on the side. Plain empty on the other. On the back side, we have the details of the shoe. It does a Yeezy Boost 350 with the Adidas web store, where you can purchase Yeezy or where they release Yeezy online. And of course, the sticker price, this was $11.5 2 years ago. That was before their increase. Some additional details like the Hyperspace for the colorway, and of course the sizing of the shoe in this case is a UK 12 or US 12.5. Generally, Yeezy 350 version 2 fits small. This means you need to purchase at least half size up from your typical sneaker size or your true to size. You usually get a US 12 men's, but since you need at least half size up, I got the 12.5 in US. To open the box in a typical Yeezy box, you just slide it open on one side. Alright, so we got here is the tissue paper, and here we go. Bam! The shoe launched exclusively in select cities in Africa, Asia Pacific, the Middle East, and India. Boasting a greenish look, features a semi-translucent composed of two-tone re-engineered prime knit upper. The post-dyed monofilament see-through side stripe in tan tint is woven into the upper, replacing the accustomed Supply 350 branding. Comes with round laces with a distinct center stitching and heel tab. There's a reflective part inside on the heel back for the 3 stripes, and I think that's the only reflective part for the shoe. A translucent gum rubber outsole contrasts with a translucent white rib midsole that utilizes Adidas' innovative Boost technology. So if you're familiar with the Boost from Adidas, it's quite a comfortable shoe. My daily beater is an NMD that uses also Boost technology, so I can attest to you on how comfortable these are on feet. It can accommodate wide feet like mine. So what do you guys think? Have you copped the Yeezy before? And which colorway is your favorite? I know it can be quite difficult for you to be able to purchase one on retail right now. So if you don't mind paying a couple thousand pesos off retail, you might want to check out some FB page. A day or two after a general release, it's usually flooded with resellers. Just be mindful though, caveat, buyer beware, there are a lot of fakes out there as well, so you might want to be extra careful when you purchase resale items. Or you can just go to non-reseller stores like Cop Garden, Yolo Manila, and Seoul Republic. Just to name a few. This is no way sponsored by any of them, but just in case you'd want to cop one for yourself. I'm still trying to cop one on a more darker themed colorway to lessen dirt. Whites such as these are kind of dirt magnet, and with the prime knit upper it's quite difficult to get them cleaned once they're soiled with dirt or mud. Aside from 350, there are other models as well, such as the 380 and the 700, with the 350 version 2 the more iconic look than the rest of the Yeezy models. So there you have it, my very first Yeezy. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you have, don't forget to give it a like, subscribe down on the bottom if you still haven't, and smash that notification bell. I'll see you next time.